Fine.
In this video, we will show you displacement reactions. Displacement reactions involve a metal and a compound solution of different metal. You can use a reactivity series and this worksheet to predict the outcomes of each displacement reactions that we are going to perform in this video, and check your answers while watching this video. We have 4 different metals and their compound solutions, which are magnesium, zinc, iron, and copper as metals, and their sulfate solutions: magnesium sulfate, zinc sulfate, iron sulfate, and copper sulfate. In a displacement reaction, a more reactive metal will displace a less reactive metal from its compound. Before we start, we need to do a risk assessment, and we have found out we should wear goggles to protect our eyes from any chemical spills. We have a dimple tile which has 4 different metals and 4 times. Now we will use a metal compound solution and drop few drops into each metal and see what happens. First, we will use magnesium sulfate solution and drop some using a pipette on each metal and observe. We did not see any reaction because magnesium is most reactive than others, so magnesium cannot be displaced from magnesium sulfate solution. We will repeat the steps by dropping zinc sulfate solution using a pipette into 4 metals and observe. We see only magnesium reacting with zinc sulfate solution, and hence zinc is displaced from its sulfate solution. Now we will use iron sulfate solution on these metals and observe again. We can see there is a reaction with only magnesium and zinc. Hence, iron is getting displaced from its sulfate solution by these 2 metals only. At last, we will use copper sulfate solution and react with all 4 metals. We can see that there is a reaction with 3 metals, which are magnesium, zinc, and iron. So we can say copper is being displaced from its sulfate solution, and hence copper is the least reactive metal in this displacement reaction. So the order of the reactivity, starting with the most reactive first, is magnesium, zinc, iron, and copper. Thank you for watching this video. It's time to check your knowledge. We have one another simple displacement reaction. It is a reaction between copper metal and silver nitrate solution. Your teacher may pause this video in few seconds so you can now predict using your reactivity series what will happen when you react copper metal with silver nitrate solution. As you can see, a displacement reaction has taken place and copper has displaced silver from silver nitrate solution, and hence we can say copper is more reactive than silver. See your reactivity series. Thank you.